Hello friends, welcome to the short motivational stories. Today's story is The Secret to Staying Motivated Every Day. Arjun was a young man full of dreams. He wanted to start his own business, stay fit, and learn new skills. Every year he would set big goals, and every year he would fail. His excitement would last for a few weeks, but soon laziness and distractions would take over. One day, frustrated with himself, Arjun went to visit his grandfather, an 80-year-old retired teacher. He was always full of wisdom. "Grandpa, why do I lose motivation so easily?" Arjun asked. His grandfather smiled and said, "Come with me. I want to show you something." He took Arjun to the backyard, where an old rusty water pump stood. The pump was connected to a deep well, and his grandfather began pumping it. Nothing happened. He kept pumping for a few minutes, and still no water came out. Arjun, confused, asked, "Grandpa, what are you doing? There is no water." His grandfather didn't stop. He kept pushing the handle up and down, and after some time, suddenly water gushed out. A steady, strong flow of fresh water poured from the pump. Grandpa stopped pumping, but the water kept flowing. "This is the secret to staying motivated," he said. "When you start something, motivation is like this pump. In the beginning, nothing happens. You feel like your efforts are wasted. But if you keep pushing and keep going, soon you will see the results. And once you reach that point, motivation keeps flowing on its own." Arjun understood the lesson. From that day, he followed a simple rule. He never relied on motivation alone. Instead, he built a routine and stayed consistent. When he felt lazy, he reminded himself, "Just keep pumping." Within a year, he achieved more than he ever had before. The lesson: motivation doesn't come first. Action does. Keep working, keep pushing, and soon success will flow like water from a pump. That's all for the today's story. Hope you will like it. Thank you for watching the video.